Alright guys, so in this module, we will learn how to test the ReactJS applications. And for that, we will be using ReactJS, Typescript, Jest and the React testing library. Here we will learn how to test our ReactJS components, what all is rendering inside of it, and like how the data comes and how you do API calls and then test them. Everything we will learn in this module. So for that, let's set up the development environment. So I will run npm create, or let's say npx only, npx create read @latest. All right. So here it will give us some prompts. So yeah, we will click Y and it will be TypeScript unit testing. I will write this project name. You can choose whatever you want. We will choose React and then TypeScript, not TypeScript plus SWC. No, we will choose TypeScript. Alright, so let's delete this terminal and now I will open this in an integrated terminal. I will run npm install. Here the git ignore will be moved here. Alright, so our project is now ready, and before running this project I want to install some dependencies. So npm install -- save dev. So these are the dev dependencies. I will install Jest @types/jest and ts jest and just environment JS DOM. Now what I will do, I will install some other dependencies like @testing -library /react and then again @testing -library /jest DOM and @testing library /user event. So like clicks and focus over and all. I will run this and okay, what it is saying. Okay, this error is coming. Oh, we wrote equal to. So like this. Now I will run this and it has started to install. So I am going to pause the video and I will be back when this is all installed. So all of those are now completely installed. I will clear this. What I will do, I will now configure Jest. So I will create a new file in the root directory of the project, jest.config.ts. Alright, what I will do, so config, I will show you from where we should import that. So import type config from Jest and export default config. Now what all config you are going to do, I will tell you. So see, if I start typing you won't be able to understand, it will take a lot of time. So let me just paste that. Yeah. Now what I will do is that set up Jest with React testing library requires jest.setup.ts file as well. So jest.setup.ts. This is very important file, guys, actually. So what I will do, I will import @testing library /jest DOM. Alright, this I have done, and now in the package.json, what I will do, so scripts, here I will add a script called as test, and test will be Jest, and test watch Jest -- watch. Alright, I will close all of this. Alright, let me run this project first. npm run dev. Alright, so I will control plus click and see this is running. Okay, now what I will do, I will create a components folder. Here I will create a component, let's say hello world.tsx RAFCE, and this is the hello world. Alright, let's say this is accepting a prop, so text string, and here what I will do, hello text, like this. This is our component, and I will now create a test for it. Here I will create hello world.test.tsx. What I will do is that, let's say, I will be describing this test, so testing my first React component. Alright, now I will create one test case, testing hello world component. Alright, and here what I will do, render. So render will be imported from testing library /react. Import from testing library /react, and here I will import array render and screen. Render, what will be rendered? Hello world, and here is a text prop, Lucky, my name. You can write your name anyway. Expect screen dot get by text. Here Lucky dot to be in the document. Alright, now here you see that you are facing one issue. Property does not exist on this. So what we will do here, so what I will do is that I will install some packages. So npm I @testing library /DOM, like this. I mean, we can install as a dev dependency as well, since we are testing. So yeah. Anyway, and what I will do is that I will go to my tsconfig app.json, and here I will add one thing: types node jest and testing library slash jest dom. Alright, this thing I will do, and you see that the error is gone. Alright, we are expecting this to be in the document. Okay, now should we run this? Npm test. Let's see what will happen. Okay, there is one issue again. Alright, so ts node npm I minus g ts node. Npm test. Again we have an issue. So what does it say? Error in Jest. Make sure it is installed. Ported from. Okay, so I need to install in the current directory, maybe npm install ts node. See, the reason I'm fixing these issues in front of you is because so that you guys can also learn. Okay. Otherwise, I could have shown you complete setup. But see, now here we are getting one failed. Okay. Test suite failed to run. Alright, so let's analyze what is this module. All to minutes, but it's not set. Cannot use JSX unless the JSX flag is provided. Alright, so we will be fixing this as well. If we try to restart our IDE, let's see if it works. Okay, so I restarted it, and let's run the npm test again. Will it work? If not, then let's still figure out again. So it is throwing the same error again. It is saying that this is not set, but here in the tsconfig we have set up this already, ReactJS. Is that first I will go to the tsconfig and add this script. Now I will go to this and change this text basically. Npm test, npm test Yay, it worked and it passed. Finally we fixed the issue. So this was just a demo of how you can do the testing. So we will be advancing further to do more advanced testing of the ReactJS components.